Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video. Today we're showcasing 12 new woodworking tools on Amazon. You need yesterday. Get ready to discover powerful, innovative and affordable tools that will upgrade your workshop instantly. Make sure you watch till the end for the best picks and hidden gems for every DIY woodworker. Stay tuned today now. CNC router machine. The Twotrees TTC450 Pro CNC router machine is a powerful mid-range desktop CNC designed for hobbyists and professional woodworkers. It features a rigid all-metal frame, improved torquey motors, and high precision up to plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. With a large 460 by 460 by 80 millimeter working area, it handles wood, acrylic, and soft metals. It supports upgrades like a 500-watt spindle, rotary axis, and laser module, making it a versatile modern workshop solution. Speed Scroll Saw. The BOSCH CM10GD is a 10-inch dual bevel glide miter saw designed for precision and efficiency in professional woodworking. It features BOSCH's axial glide system, replacing traditional rails with a compact articulated arm for smoother cuts and space-saving operation. Powered by a 15-amp motor delivering up to 4,800 revolutions per minute, it offers excellent cutting strength. With wide miter and bevel ranges, upfront controls, and strong dust collection, it ensures accuracy, durability, and workshop convenience for serious woodworkers. Digital dial indicator. The Neoteck 0 to 1 inch digital dial indicator, NTK120, is a high-precision measuring tool widely used in woodworking, machining, and 3D printing. It measures small linear distances and alignment with excellent accuracy and a clear digital LCD display. With a range of 0 to 25.4 millimeters, resolution of 0.01 millimeters, and plus or minus 0.01 millimeters accuracy, it ensures reliable readings. Built from durable aluminum alloy with a hardened steel contact point, it includes zero setting, unit conversion, and auto-off features. Ideal for calibration and precision setup tasks in any workshop. Miter shears. The LeafLux miter shears, LFXP3101S, are a compact handheld cutting tool designed for fast, precise angled cuts in soft materials without using a power saw. Ideal for DIY trim work like shoe molding, quarter round, PVC trunking, and weather stripping, they offer excellent convenience for small home projects. The adjustable angle slider supports 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, and 135 degree cuts for versatile applications. Built with a high-carbon SK5 steel blade rated 58 to 60 HRC, they deliver clean, accurate cuts. The ergonomic aluminum handle includes a non-slip grip and safety lock, making it practical and user-friendly for workshop or home use. Edge trimmer. The RUITOOL Edge Banding Trimmer, AM-RL-9254, is a durable 3-in-1 manual tool designed for smooth, burr-free finishing on edge banding materials. It features a heavy-duty nylon body and a resharpenable 5CR, 15 MOV stainless steel blade for long-term use. With R1.5 and R2 chamfer grooves, it delivers clean rounded corners on PVC, ABS, and wood veneer from 0.5 millimeters to 1.5 millimeters thickness. Its ergonomic push-pull handle reduces hand fatigue, while the 150mm stable base ensures precise, wobble-free trimming for professional woodworking results every time. brad nailer kit. The BOSCH GNH 18V 18M. Brad nailer kit GNH 18V-18MB12 is a powerful cordless finishing tool designed for trim, molding, and cabinet work. It delivers pneumatic-like performance without hoses or compressors. The 18-gauge nailer drives brads from 5/8 of an inch to 2 and 1/8 of an inch with up to 2,000 nails per charge. Features include tool-free depth adjustment, dual LED lights, dry fire lockout, and bump or single fire modes. It ensures precision, speed, and clean professional results every time. Pipe clamp fixture. The FLKQC. Pipe clamp fixtures are heavy-duty cast iron clamp heads designed to convert standard 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch threaded pipes into adjustable bar clamps of any length. Ideal for woodworking projects like tabletops, cabinets, and door frames, they deliver strong, even pressure for professional glue-ups. Built with a durable red enamel finish, they resist rust and wear. A multi-disc clutch system ensures a firm grip and smooth release, while the ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue. The wide base improves stability during use. Stock guides. JessEm stock guides are premium woodworking accessories designed to improve safety, accuracy, and control during cutting operations. Instead of traditional featherboards, they use one-way roller technology that firmly holds the workpiece against the fence while allowing smooth forward movement and preventing kickback. The angled design naturally guides lumber into position, reducing errors and improving cut quality. Built from durable materials with grip force rollers, they deliver excellent grip without damaging wood, making them ideal for both professional and DIY workshops. Saw blade. The EZARC Saw Blade is designed for professional-grade cutting performance with extreme durability and precision. Known for its advanced carbide tip technology, it can last up to 50 times longer than standard bimetal blades when working with tough materials like stainless steel, rebar, and hardened bolts. It also delivers smooth, fast cuts in wood, nails, and even masonry, making it ideal for demolition and renovation work. Compatible with most reciprocating saws and multi-tools, EZARC blades offer reliable strength, long life, and excellent value for both DIY users and professionals. Drawer Slide Jig. The Ufeel Drawer Slide Jig, Ufeel 2.0, is a precision woodworking tool designed for fast, accurate drawer slide installation in both face frame and frameless cabinets. It eliminates measuring errors by providing adjustable alignment and strong support during setup. With a built-in toggle clamp and magnetic arm, it securely holds slides in place while keeping your hands free for drilling. The jig features laser-engraved metric and imperial scales for quick reference and rubber pads to protect surfaces from damage. Its universal design works with most side mount and ball bearing slides, making it a reliable choice for consistent, professional quality cabinet installation every time. Five-in-one hand saw. The TOOLAN 5-in-1 hand saw set SW24F-5 is a versatile and compact cutting tool designed to replace multiple saws in one smart design. It features a universal quick change handle that supports reciprocating and jigsaw blades, making it highly adaptable for different tasks. With SK5 steel blades, it delivers clean, fast cuts in wood, metal, PVC, and drywall. Its ergonomic non-slip grip reduces hand fatigue, while the lightweight design makes it perfect for workshops, camping, and emergency use. A true all-in-one solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Table saw miter gauge. The GOINGMAKE table saw miter gauge is a heavy-duty precision tool designed for accurate and smooth crosscuts in woodworking projects. Often compared to premium models like the Incra 1000 SE and Harvey MG36 Pro, it delivers professional-level performance at a more affordable price. It features micro-adjustment capability with accuracy up to 0.001 inch, ensuring extremely precise cuts every time. The gauge includes 11 positive angle stops for common angles and a telescoping aluminum fence extending up to 36 inches. Built from durable anodized aluminum, it also offers a zero play miter bar system and easy calibration for consistent, reliable results in any workshop.